Hello everyone, I will explain how to use Learning Apps to you today. First of all, you will enter the website and you should choose your language here to use it easily. Learning Apps explains everything for you here. So if you search for information, you can find everything you want here. There are lots of activities here according to the categories. You can use them as well. If you want, you can create your own activities, of course. But before that, you should create your classes first. For example, I will create all those verse class here. And when you create your classes, you should create student accounts, of course. You can create the student accounts by writing yourself, or you can import names from a file. I prefer writing the names and surnames by myself because it is more easy to use after creating the student accounts. For example, I will write Ayşe, and it gives a name and password randomly, but of course you can arrange it too. I recommend you to arrange the login names and passwords by yourself because it is more easy to use after creating it. Ayşe, Ali, and I will write by myself here, and you can save your students. Now you can see your students information here. You can change the passwords if you want. When you click here, you can see the activities your students do. You can send a message to your student, or you can move your student to another classroom, or you can delete your student as well. If you want to invite your students with a link or QR code, it is also okay. By using a link or QR code, your students can enter and do the activities as well. And you can print your students' accounts here, information. You can print it, or you can send to your students the link or QR code or login name and password. They are all okay for you. You can show, you can see the statistics here, which activities, who did which activities here. You can print them as well. You can see activities, class folders here. These are the things you can search and learn. Please take a look at the website and you will learn lots of things. I'm sure when you have some time searching for info on Learning Apps, you will learn lots of things here. After finishing your classes, creating your classes and creating student accounts, you should look at here. You will see all the things here, all your activities here. For example, I will browse an activity here. First of all, I will not create my own activity. For example, according to astronomy, what kind of activities are there? You can see matching the planets with their names. For example, you want to use this activity. You like the activity, and you want to use it. How you will use it? You can use the QR code here, or you can web link. You can when you copy and paste this link, you can send the link to your students and they can do it. Or when you copy and paste this link, they will see the activity full screen. For example, they will do it, and you can do this. And if you bookmark in my apps, it will be seen in your my apps folder, and you can use it in your classes. Now, for example, if you how you will add the activities, you will enter your classes. Which class would you like to do? You will go to class folder, and you will add app, and you will choose the app here and add to your class. Now your students in this class, or those words class, can see the activity and can do it. And when they do it, you can see the statistics here. Ali and Ayşe didn't do the activity, so it is not here. But when they did it, it will be a tick here. You will see that they did the activity. When we come to create an app, you can see lots of enjoyable activities here. Everything is very fun here, and in each activity there are 3 examples for you to understand how you will do it. Or you can learn how to do the activity by searching the activities. When you look at the activities, you can understand easily how to do it. But if you don't want to use these examples, you can create your new app now. You will write a name title here. For example, I will write Sema. If you want, you can write a description here. You will write a question here. For example, what is your teacher's name? For a warmer, maybe. For example, in your first classes, maybe you can do it. Correct answer you should write here. Ayşe. If you want, you can use only 3, or you can write if you want, you can add a question, again a question, and you can use another question here. I will write like that. You will finish it and finish editing and save the app. You should save it to see it on your My Apps folder, and after saving you will see your activity here. And you can edit your activity, you can change the image or move the app into a folder, you see a statistics, or you can delete it. If you want to send an activity to your class, you should enter your class and add the app, and you should add it to your class. When it comes to the student account, how students will do the activities, I will show you too. Now I will use a student account here. For example, Ayşe Teşikal 1. I will, for example, you can say that you can, if you want, you can send the link, only the link, and every student who has the link can do the activity. But to see the statistics, you should add your students to your classes. Now I will log in as a student here. I will log out. And I will log in as Ayşe. When Ayşe comes login on Learningapps, she will come to my class. Also, the students can create apps too if they want. When she comes to her class, she will see what kind of activities you sent her. She will enter the activity her teacher sent and she will do the activity here. For example, she will do the activity and check it here. Okay. Sorry. When Ayşe comes to her class, she will come here and see the activity and did the activity and finish it. Try again. If she did wrong, she should do again. And she finishes the activity and that's all. And when we come to the teacher account, we see the statistics here. We will come and look at that. It is done. It shows that. And Ayşe, as Ayşe, it comes. I will log out as Ayşe, and as teacher I will log in. And when I come to my classes, I will enter my class. And I can see the things here. Statistics. Look at Ayşe did the activity. It is seen here. And that's all. Thank you for listening.